Welcome to Healthcare Science Week. This afternoon we've got an event on today where we're raising awareness for healthcare scientists in the hospital. We've got specialities including cardiology, neurology and also audiology here, just explaining what they do in their day-to-day job. We've also got a couple of universities explaining how people are trained and how to get involved in being trained.
I'm a healthcare scientist in cardiology and I'm doing a master's program, which is a postgraduate program, which allows me to work full-time in the hospital while also studying for a master's degree in clinical science. From a cardiac point of view, we're looking at the different heart structures in using ultrasounds to assess people for disease. It's really nice because we have a lot of face-to-face contact with patients. One of the biggest daily challenges, I would say, is one, managing the amount of patients we have to scan in a day.
My job is a sleep physiologist and we work in the Children's Sleep Centre. So we work with children that have sleep and respiratory disorders. So we get ADHD, autism. The most part of this job is I really enjoy working with children. Definitely get your work experience in as much as you possibly can, and if it's in sleep, respiratory, as much work experience as you have sets you up for the future.
So I am a physicist working in the radiotherapy department. So what we do is we're really making sure that the radiotherapy treatments are safe for the patients and also effective for treating their disease. I did a physics degree, liked the idea of medicine, so then I found the scientist training program through the NHS. I also really enjoy the fact that I can use some quite technical, sort of difficult science, as it were, and that isn't just going into a research project that's going to send a rocket to the moon in 10 years or something. It's going to affect a patient's treatment today or next week. I think it is really worth trying to get some work experience if you're looking to go into healthcare science.
So I work in blood sciences at Biopath, which is a pathology laboratory. So any decision that the doctor makes is based on the tests that we do in the lab. And so we are like a frontline port of call for the doctors. And so we get patients who have all sorts of diseases, and we help in the diagnosis of those diseases and management of those patients. So my degree was 3 years, a biomedical science degree, and you have to make sure it's registered by the Institute of Biomedical Sciences. So one of the things that I really enjoy about working at Biopath is you see so many different things, you see so many different conditions, which you may not see when you're working in the wards, for example. You may be specialised, so you may only see one thing. I'd say keep your mind open, explore all avenues, and make sure you have a rough idea of what you would like to do as well. And working at Biopath, we offer work experience to all students and university students as well.